Haul of my birthday from 2025 December. So let's get started. So these are all the gifts that I got, so let's get right into it. So let's start with the Victoria's Secret little packet. I got the Pure Seduction collection, the shimmer body mist and the shimmer lotion. I think it's very pretty and this has to be one of my favorite fragrances from VS. And it's in the shimmer collection, so it's very pretty and very cute. Next up, I got a bunch of skincare and Korean beauty from Tira. And these have to be some of my most used products, so I had to repeat them. This is the Cosrx Salicylic Acid Face Wash, which I use every day. And then I had to get the Snail Mucin as well, which is a everyday use for me. This one is a new product that I wanted to try and I heard so much about it, which is the Revive Eye Serum Ginseng by Beauty of Joseon. So I wanted to try this one out, so I had to get it. And the next one that I got was the 345 Barrier Repair Cream. I heard so many reviews about it, and since I struggle with a little of acne scars. The next one is a little makeup haul from Nykaa. I got a bunch of makeup and beauty products that I really like. One of my favorite has to be the Etude lip tints. I got them in 3 shades. One is a light color, a medium, and this one is a dark shade that I like to put on once in a while. Apart from those, I got the Rhode lip tints in 2 dark shades that suit my skin tone. These are also something that I wanted to try out, so my sister got this for me. Let's start with the Aldo bag. So Aldo has been one of my favorite brands and I have a couple of handbags and footwear from them. But this one was extra special because it had to match my birthday outfit. So I got one maroon handbag, which is this really pretty one. It's a very sleek design. I think it's a very everyday sort of bag and you just can't go wrong with the basic. So these maroon heels with the gold stiletto and a matching handbag with gold hardware is my Aldo gift. The next one has to be the Tommy Hilfiger handbag. This was a bag that I had my eyes on for a while, so my husband had to get it for me. It's a really classic piece, but it's something that I don't have in my wardrobe, which is a classic white bag. I was contemplating getting this one for a while now, but I think now that I have it, it's such a wardrobe staple for me. Another bag that I received for my birthday has to be in my favorite color pink, and it's from CK. And I really like this one because it's such a simple and classic timeless piece. And what's extremely special about this is it's in my favorite color. I couldn't find this anywhere in store and my sister had to get this one for me the moment she found it online. The next part of my gifts haul have to be the clothing. So I got a bunch of dresses this year, or some of them are gift and some of them are self-bought, but they were all specially for my birthday, so let's get right into it. Starting with my favorite once again, Victoria's Secret. I've had my eyes on their classic signature robe for a long time now, and being someone who has been watching their fashion shows since I was a little girl, I had to get that. So I finally bought it for my birthday and I must say I love it. It did not disappoint. My next gift has to be a dresses haul from Zara. So I got 4 dresses from Zara. Let me show you all of them. This one is a classic Korean style like pink long dress. So this one has to be one of my favorites. Next one is this satin brown dress. You just cannot go wrong with a satin dress. One was again a maxi dress because I've been really getting into long dresses this year, so I wanted to get this one. Next one is another winter style dress. I feel like this one is giving very Korean style vibes as well. And this one was also one of my favorites that while I was shopping, and I already wore this one, so this one has to be something that I really liked. I had to get this one because I really liked the style and design of this one. This one is a little more formal compared to the other one, but I really love the style and the pattern, and it has a little belt on the side. What I wanted to show you guys is H&M. So I got this really pretty dress that I wore for my birthday from H&M. So I really liked this one. This one is a simple like maroon wine shade dress. This one is more of a casual dress, so because it was a little backless, I put on another jacket on top of this fur jacket. I paired this jacket with this dress. I'll put a picture here so you can see how it looked together. So this was my birthday outfit. But my birthday outfit was not just one. I had another birthday outfit which was special and gifted by my family, which was an ethnic wear in colors that I really liked. So this one is the top. It's like a nice sharara set. It's like this rosy color top, and the bottom is also in like this rose and gold like flared skirt. And what's really special about this outfit has to be the dupatta, because it's in this wine and pink shade that I really liked. I'll put a picture here for you guys so you can see how it looked like on my birthday. So that was all from my birthday haul. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.